Lunges are a versatile exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, making them a popular choice for many fitness enthusiasts. If you're considering incorporating lunges into your daily exercise routine, it's important to understand the potential effects on your body. In this video, we will explore the scientific research surrounding the consequences of performing lunges every day, providing you with evidence. So let's dive into it. Number 1. Increased lower body strength. Regularly performing lunges can lead to significant improvements in lower body strength. Scientific studies have demonstrated that consistent lunge training can enhance muscle strength, power, and endurance, particularly in the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. The repetitive nature of lunges activates and strengthens these muscle groups, resulting in better functional movement and overall leg stability. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that individuals who engaged in lunges as part of their daily routine experienced a significant increase in quadriceps and hamstring strength after 8 weeks of training. This improvement in lower body strength can positively impact daily activities, sports performance, and overall quality of life. Number 2. Enhanced balance and stability. Lunges require coordination and balance, making them an effective exercise for improving stability. By incorporating lunges into your daily routine, you challenge your body's ability to stabilize and maintain proper alignment. This, in turn, activates the smaller stabilizing muscles around the knees, hips, and ankles, leading to improved overall balance and reduced risk of injuries, particularly during activities involving changes in direction or uneven surfaces. Research published in the Journal of Sports Sciences highlighted the positive impact of lunges on balance and stability. Regular lunge training was found to improve balance control and increase postural stability in individuals of varying fitness levels. By enhancing your ability to stay balanced during dynamic movements, daily lunges can contribute to improved performance in sports and activities that require agility and coordination. Number 3. Flexibility and range of motion. Performing lunges regularly can help improve flexibility and increase the range of motion in your lower body. Lunges involve a deep stretch in the hip flexors and hamstrings, which can lead to enhanced flexibility over time. A study conducted by the University of Queensland revealed that incorporating lunges into a training program led to increased hip flexor flexibility and improved stride length in participants. This enhanced flexibility can improve athletic performance and reduce the risk of muscle imbalances that may lead to injuries. Number 4. Core strength and stability. Although lunges primarily target the lower body, they also engage the core muscles to maintain proper posture and stability during the exercise. The core muscles, including the abdominals, obliques, and erector spinae, act as stabilizers during lunges, contributing to core strength and overall body stability. Research published in the Journal of Human Kinetics found that lunges activate the core muscles to a significant degree. The study concluded that lunges can be considered an effective exercise for strengthening the core muscles when performed correctly and with proper form. Number 5. Caloric expenditure and weight management. Lunges are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, resulting in a higher caloric expenditure compared to isolation exercises. Incorporating lunges into your daily routine can contribute to an increased metabolic rate, potentially supporting weight management and body composition goals. However, it is important to note that the actual caloric burn during lunges will vary depending on factors such as intensity, duration, and individual characteristics. Combining lunges with a well-rounded exercise program and a balanced diet is key to achieving optimal weight management outcomes. Number 6. Improved erectile function. Engaging in regular physical exercise, including lunges, can have a positive impact on erectile function. Several studies have shown a strong correlation between exercise and improved sexual health, including erectile function. Exercise, such as lunges, promotes cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Erectile dysfunction often arises from underlying cardiovascular issues, such as reduced blood flow to the penis. By incorporating lunges into your daily routine, you can enhance cardiovascular fitness and potentially reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that regular physical activity significantly decreased the incidence of erectile dysfunction in middle-aged men. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of doing lunges every day. Try doing 100 lunges daily to see the optimal result. Also, if you want to know about what happens to your body if you start doing kettlebells workout daily, then click here.